So let's provide the solution to this question. Now we have to evaluate the integral from 0 to infinity y raised to power 6 e raised to power minus 4y squared dy. So you say by replacing u equals to 4y squared, then this means the u will be given by 8y dy, which means dy will be given by du over 8y. So limits will have y equals to 0, then u will be given by 4 times 0 squared, which will be 0. So lower limit does not change. And then when y is infinity, u will be given by 4 infinity squared. So this will still be infinity. So limits are unchanged. Then, so do the transformation, will have 0 to infinity, y power 6, and then e raised power minus u, because I've already fixed this part, times du over 8y. Now, this will give us integral from 0 to infinity of, so I can factor out 1 over 8, and then y power 5, e raised power minus u du. But you see from here, you can always make y squared the subject, which will be given by u over 4, and then which means raising both sides to a half, y will be given by u raised power half over 2. So I will have this as 1 over 8 integral from 0 to infinity of u power half over 2, everything raised power 5, and then e raised power minus u du. So this will give us 1 over 8 times 1 over 2 power 5 integral 0 to infinity u raised power a half times 5 is 5 over 2 e raised power minus u du. And then 1 over 8 times 2 power 5 get 1 over 256. So we'll have 1 over 256 integral from 0 to infinity of u raised power 5 over 2 e raised power minus u du. And then rewrite this power of u in the form n minus 1. So n will be given by 5 over 2 plus 1, which is 7 over 2. So this is the same as 1 over 256 integral 0 to infinity u raised power 7 over 2 minus 1 e raised power minus u du. Now, by rewriting that integral in that form, we have the structure of the gamma function. So this is the same as 1 over 256 gamma of 7 over 2. Now, gamma of 7 over 2 is the same as gamma of 5 over 2 plus 1, which is the same as 5 over 2 gamma of 5 over 2. Now, gamma of 5 over 2 is the same as gamma of 3 over 2 plus 1, which is 3 over 2 gamma of 3 over 2. Remember, I'm using the property gamma of x plus 1 equals to gamma of x times x here. So x gamma of x. And then gamma of 3 over 2 is the same as gamma of a half plus 1, which is a half gamma of a half. And gamma of a half is square root of pi. So it's a half root pi. Now, replacing this in this previous step, we'll have 3 over 2 times a half root pi, which is 3 over 4 root pi. Replace this, and in this part, we have 5 over 2 times 3 over 4 root pi, 15 over 8 root pi. So this will be the same as 1 over 256 times 15 over 8 root pi. So 1 over 256 multiplied by 15 over 8 gives 15 over 2048 square root of pi. So therefore, the integral from 0 to infinity of y power 6 e raised to power minus 4 y squared dy is nothing but 15 over 2048 root of pi. So that is the solution to that specified problem.